Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys easiest way to make flower with wool and beads. First thing to do is to wrap around the wool on your pointer finger for 25 times. Attach needle on the section of the wool and use that to sew and secure both sides of the wool on your finger. Pull the woolen design out from your finger. Then attach 4 beads on one side of the woolen design. When you are done with that one piece, make them 5 pieces and join them to make beautiful woolen flower. Attach a medium-sized bead at the center of the flower to make it even more beautiful. I believe you all will find this tutorial very easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.